What is up, YouTube? Back again with another sneaker video. In this box we got a newly released sneaker that just dropped last week, and as you can see, the box has literally been untouched and unopened, which means I waited a whole week just so I could open it with you guys, so I could give you an honest feedback, honest review, and a full breakdown on the shoe. Now let's open them and see what all the hype's about. Alright, y'all, so now let's open the box. You already know we got an opening right here. Damn. There we go. Box is in there. Oh my gosh. This freaking box looks clean. Hold on. Bro. Okay, hold on. I never got in a Jordan 1 box like this. It's looking clean off the rip. Damn, look at this. It got that nice light brown, almost like a purple on the side of the shoe, on the top of the shoe, all around the shoe. Literally looks clean. And as you can tell, like, no grade school boxes come in like special boxes. It's usually like the men's sizes, but this one came in a pretty cool box. It kind of looks like a Travis Scott or something. But now let's open them. Alright, y'all, so now we about to open the shoes. This is my very first time opening these. I've been wanting to open these shoes for like a whole week. So this is my honest review, honest opinion on these, and my first time opening them with y'all guys. So now let's open them, bro. Oh my gosh. So we got the box right here, lid looking crazy. Put it to the side. Okay, got some nice blank shoe paper right here, as you can see. Nothing too crazy on the shoe paper. Let me open them this way. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, the leather looks so freaking clean, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna take this one out for y'all. Oh no, this one right here. Oh shoot. Hold on. Put them down here. Leather on these. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, so the moment y'all all been waiting for, the shoe that I've been waiting for to open with y'all for a whole week has come, and it's gonna be the Jordan 1 low top in the Mocha colorway. Just look at these bad boys. Oh my gosh, literally a clean all around simple shoe, but gets the job done. You cannot go wrong with the Mocha colorway, guys. Just look at this, bro. Just look at these. This is like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. You know how bad I wanted the high top Mochas? I was just too young to understand about getting into the sneaker game at that age when they first dropped, and then I wanted them ever since. And then I saw a post about these, like where they make like custom sneakers or like shoes dropping in 2028 and stuff, and then this one was one of them, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting those. And then last week they actually came out, and I was like, what the hell? So I was like, yep, I'm getting them. My first ever Mocha colorway. I'm still coming for the highs. I haven't found my size yet, but I had to get the lows, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you can't go wrong with the Jordan 1 low. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all rocking low tops or high top Jordan 1s. Even though the high top Jordan 1s are like the most popular, but bro, I feel like lows are coming with their heat, bro. Like this, bro, this is crazy. The leather that they use on the Jordan 1s is like unbeatable. Alright, y'all, now it's time for the breakdown. First off, we're gonna start with this nice white bottom sole. Complements super well against this black leather midsole, and you cannot forget, black and white always go together. So for right here, we got a nice white leather toe box that goes well against the black. And for my favorite part, we got the side of the shoe, which you can really see that detail in the leather, which gives it that nice wrinkly material that adds effect and adds detail and adds texture to the whole entire shoe, and gives it that overall vintage look that pops super well against that Mocha brown. Because right here, we got a nice black Nike check mark, and then bam, your eyes focus straight on that Mocha brown in the back that has that soft quality suede that you do not want to mess up or get dirty or wet, and has this Air Jordan logo on the heel tab, which flows super well against the whole shoe, and comes with black primary laces. But it's up to you if you want to switch the laces out. But me, I'm going to keep it original. Has that original mesh tongue of the Jordan 1 and that nice Nike Air logo on the top. Yeah, so that's going to be the end of today's video. I'm going to rate this shoe a 10 out of 10 just because of the colorway. It's super clean, easy to match with, easy to throw on. But y'all let me know if y'all copping them or if y'all dropping them. But if you do want to get you a pair, they're on the Sneakers app right now for retail price. And don't forget, make sure y'all hit that sub button. We almost at 300 subs. We 50 more away. I thank y'all so much for even watching my videos, or if you made it this far, or if you're new to the channel, thank you so much. I want to wish you a very good day, and thank you so much for making my day and my dreams come true on YouTube. But other than that, you have a safe day, blessed day, and I'm out. Peace.